With DynastyBreaks.com. It's the 10th of July, 2020. We're doing a little video of personal boxes. We had a few minutes extra in our before our Prism basketball break tonight. So we've got some personals here on the table. Let's see what you guys get. Joey, living in a tin can, doing a box of Tier 1. Here you go, George. Tier 1 baseball. Good luck, Joey. Thank you guys for the purchases. Thanks, Adam. All right, here we go. Can we get a Mike Trout? It's been a while since we got a Mike Trout auto.
I don't think he would object to that. I'm pretty sure.
If you like Mike Trout autos, you might like our vault this next time around, by the way. I'm just saying, George. I can't confirm nor deny. Williams Astudillo, bronze ink autograph, 19 of 25. You go Twins fans. Astudillo. First card. We have an Andres Munoz jerseys, and we have a redemption coming up. Munoz jersey to 395, rookie for the Padres. And here we go. Oh, mommy. Tier 1 autograph, Padres again, Fernando. Boom. There you go, Tatis auto. Nice box. Fernando. All right, we'll get that out to you, Joey. Thanks for the purchase. Up next, it's going to be Cowboy. 2 boxes of Archive Signature Series. Retired players just came out.
There you go, Joey. Congrats, man.
Nice Tatis, Joey. Great redemption. Really? Cowboy. What? 1 of 1.
Whoa.
In the first box. Bowman Chrome Refractor Auto, Johnny Damon.
Woo.
Boom. When he was a Yankee, nonetheless. 1 of 1. Great looking card. It's got the facsimile auto and the real thing right there. Johnny Damon. Congratulations on that. Good condition on it. All dark borders make these tough on the back. Great box 1 for Cowboy. Box 2 for you, Cowboy. We got 2 loose boxes of these from one of our distributors, so glad you could pick these up. Miguel Tejada, next one up. Miguel Tejada, getting a lot of Padres out of these boxes. 13 of 14. Nice auto there. 2011. It's like 2011 tops. Miguel Tejada, they added him to the lineup this year. Low numbered. Congrats, Cowboy. There are your 2 cards there. Both those will fit in one, I bet. In the graded, I bet.
Yeah.
Adam win. All right, George. Now's the time. We've never pulled this young man right here. Now's the time.
I bet you Adam would be really happy with that. I'm not sure. But...
Adam said, I don't want a Brady.
Oh, he did?
I don't want a Brady. I heard him say that.
Good luck, sir.
We can exchange it if you get a Brady. Trade it for George. Yeah, it was like I agree, 500 to 600. I can't remember the exact price on last year's Super Bowl mixer. It was $5.99.
$5.99.
Maybe. It's a Browns jersey, I think. Oh, George's guy. George's going to be jealous. LSU alum Jarvis Landry.
Wow.
Nice one there.
I like that.
Jarvis Landry jersey.
That's cool.
That is going to be really cool. Keep the box there to ship it to you in. This is a cool looking jersey. JSA authenticated. James Spence. Love that, man. Congratulations. Not a ton of these JSA authenticated.
That's cool.
Great signature. New style Browns jersey. George's guy from LSU. The catch machine himself.
I'm telling you.
All right, guys, we're going to end that video. Prism basketball up in about 30 seconds.